The Zeta L8 Max, a very nice compact chair that fits in a pouch like this. The pouch is included too, and it's perfect for camping and hiking. This chair is solid. It handles 250-pound capacity, and it assembles super easy. Let me show you right here. So this is the fabric of the chair. We'll put that on in just a bit, but this is the frame of the chair, and I like how everything comes together very easy. Everything ties together like this, and when you expand it, it kind of pops in by itself, but it's like these old kind of tents that just kind of pops like this, and then this becomes the leg like so. Super easy right here. You cannot get this wrong because everything is just there, and it just kind of connects together like so. And then there's a little Velcro right here. What I do like is I like to wrap this Velcro here, so it's just a little bit neater, but you don't have to do that. That's an extra step. But this is the frame right here. It handles 250-pound capacity. It's solid. This is the backrest material, and it is very nice. I'll show you how this goes on. So what you want to do first is you want to slide on the back first. So this is the back right here, and these two is where the rods go in, this side and this side, and you want it to go in all the way. There's a little pull strap, so that helps a little bit. So you pull it so it goes in all the way to the very top. So sometimes it doesn't look like it will go in, but it does. See, now it's at the very top. Same thing over here. You want to slide it in to the very top, and again, this pull strap does help. There we go, and pull it in. Whoops. So I'm gonna grab it right here. So there's a little bit of tension, not a lot. So you want to just go ahead and grab this and slide this in, and slide it in all the way down to the very top of that. There we go. And slide it in more, just like that, so it's at the top. And then this part down here, you're gonna have two more straps, one here and one on this side. So again, a little bit of tension, not too much. I've worked with chairs that require way more tension, and that's it for that one. This one requires the most tension because it's the last point, but just a little stretch right here and you're good. That's it. And now your chair is assembled. It has a nice rocking mechanism right here that I kind of like. See, you kind of rock. It has 250 pounds, and it's very comfortable because you got cushion right here, and you have legit cushion right here too. This is nice cushion, and you got a little mesh pocket. But there's the chair right there, and as you saw, it fits into his pouch. It's very lightweight but strong, sturdy chair, and it's perfect for camping, hiking, because hey, it takes up very little space right here. Oh yeah.